Dear students, today we are going to discuss the topic equation of straight lines. If a line dividing, if a line like this, dividing another line into two parts. Example, this is a side and this is another side. If a line crossing like this line, this line is dividing this point and this point, which ratio? That we are going to discuss today. The theory regarding the dividing a line segment in 2 points. Let us discuss today. Open page number 49. Theorem 3.5.4. Page 48. Write the theorem, page number 48. The ratio in which the straight line, the ratio in which the straight line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. L is equal to so the line L is equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 divides the line segment, divides the line segment joining the points a x1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2. A x1 comma y1 b x2 comma y2 in the ratio minus L11 is to L22. Minus L11 is to L22. Here L means line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. 1 meaning the point a x1 comma y1 and 2 meaning the point b x2 comma y2. The theorem is the ratio in which the straight line L equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points a x1 comma y1 and b x2 comma y2 in the ratio minus L11 is to L22. Draw the proof. Before going to discuss the proof, draw the diagram first of all. Write this line L equal to 0 and draw the points like this. This is the line segment A, which is joining a x1 comma y1, capital A x1 comma y1 and capital B x2 comma y2. Capital A x1 comma y1 and capital B x2 comma y2. This is the line segment joining a x1 y1 and b x2 y2. The line L is equal to, here L meaning the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 line dividing the line segment joining the points ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 in the ratio L is minus L11 is to L22. What is L11? What is L22? Let us going to discuss now. Now given line you write Lx plus Ax plus By plus C equal to 0. Given line L is Ax plus By plus C equal to 0 divided by AB. AB meaning line segment AB here in the ratio. L is to M. General notation M is to N or M1 is to M2 you have learned in 10th class. The formula M1x2 plus M2x1 by M1 plus M2 and M1y2 plus M2y1 by M1 plus M2 or Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N comma My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N you have learned in 10th class itself. It is called a section formula. Using the section formula, if the two lines intersect at point P, put here a point P, let maybe the point x comma y. Let the line L intersects AB at capital P x comma y. Let the line L intersect AB at point P x comma y. Now let us consider the formula, section formula. I am writing section formula. Section formula mx2 plus n x1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. What is mx2 here? Apply here p x comma y is equal to mx2. M means whatever the value, first letter L, second letter M. General notation M is to N, but here we thought as L is to M. Why? Because we should consider L11, L22 concept. So L into second letter x2. mx2 formula plus nx1. Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus M. Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus N, comma, here L plus M, comma, Ly2 plus My1. Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus M and Ly2 plus My1 by L plus M. What is this point? Px comma y, wherever the line is intersecting AB, that Px comma y. We got like this. Since Px comma y lies on the line L equal to Ax plus B plus C equal to 0, we should substitute this value in this one. Right now, since Px comma y lie on the line L equal to 0. So L equal to 0 on a line మీద ఈ point ఉంది. Then we can substitute the value L is x comma y. We can substitute the value x1 comma y1 on this line. Substitute here. Now substitute here. A into, instead of x you should substitute this one, and instead of x y you should substitute this one. A into Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus M. A into Lx2 plus mx1 by L plus M plus B into Ly2 plus My1 by L plus M. Plus C equal to 0, that implies multiply here and L plus M taken as LCM. Take L plus M LCM. So C by 1 it becomes, and multiply here AL x2 plus AM x1 BL y2 plus BM y1 plus CL plus CM equal to 0. By 1 you put and take cross multiplication. This becomes right side, it becomes 0. That implies AL x2 plus LL aside like this, MM aside like that, you can write AL x2 plus BL y2 plus CL plus AM x1. In the similar way, L aside and M aside, you can write AM x1 plus BM y1 plus CM equal to 0. Now you do one thing. Here L we can take common. L into AX2 plus BY2 plus C. L into AX2 plus BY2 plus C plus M you take common here. AX1 plus BY1 plus C equal to 0. Now you can understand one thing, that Lx, whenever the value Ax plus B plus C equal to 0, if you are substituting x1 comma y1, instead of x you put x1 here, and instead of y you put y1 here, and C. Whenever you are substituting Ax1 plus By1 plus C, it becomes L11 because 1 1 we substituted. Now in the similar way 2 2 we substituted, it can be represented as L22. Now right here as L into small l into capital L22 plus M into capital L11 equal to 0. That implies now L into L22. L into L22 is equal to minus M into L11. That implies minus M taken this side, L by M is equal to minus L11 by L22. L by M means whatever the ratio we thought here, L is to M. Now we got the answer as minus L11 is to L22. So the ratio, now we proved that a line segment which is joining a x1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 divided by a line L is equal to ax plus b plus c equal to 0, in the ratio minus L11 is to L22. This is the theorem. That's all. Now the ratio is, simply you write the ratio write the formula. Ratio is minus L11 is to L22. Now using this one, let us discuss some formulae. This is the theorem. From starting onwards you write until now. You can see the video by pausing also. Now let us discuss some formulae regarding this concept. Formulae. First one, if the ratio is internal, here opposite side same side concept is there, and ratio is also concept is there. Whenever now we have discussed that ratio is internal, the ratio is minus L11 is to L22. If ratio is internal, then L11 and L22 having same sign. If the points you write, if the points A, capital A, x1 comma y1, the points capital A, x1 comma y1, capital A, x1 comma y1 and capital B, x2 comma y2, lies opposite side. Now we thought opposite. If a line is this p x1 and this one, this is x1 and this is x2 like this. Opposite side. Then the L for notation of L1 and L22 less than 0. Bx2 if the points px1 a x1 comma y1 bx2 y2 comma lies opposite side of a line, opposite side of a line, opposite side of a line L equal to 0, then L11 comma L22 have opposite sign. That means symbol. The first one is plus, second one is minus, or first one is minus, second one is plus, like that. L11 comma L22 have opposite sign. Opposite sign. Opposite sign. That is positive by negative, or positive by negative, or negative by positive. Second formula, if the points, same points, if the points A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 lies the same side of the line, same side of line L equal to 0, then L11 comma L22 have same sign. That is positive by positive or negative by negative. Positive by positive or negative by negative. Draw like this diagram. This diagram is like this. This is P, this is A, this is B, opposite side. Now draw diagram like this. This is A, this is B. This is line L equal to 0. This is the point P. Simply x comma y. Here A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2. A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 lies same side, left side or right side, same side. Then the ratio is formula directly L1, ratio formula minus L1 is to L2, but the symbols are positive by positive or negative by negative. If L11 comma here, that we mean if L11 comma L2 have opposite sign, then the points are opposite side. If L11 comma L2 have same side, then the points are having same sign. Same side, same sign. SIGN sign means a symbol, plus by plus or minus by minus. Opposite means sign. Side means left or right. Sign means symbol, plus plus. If they are having same side, same sign, If they are having opposite side, opposite is sign. So you should remember sign is side. Opposite means plus minus, minus plus. If they lie opposite side. Same means plus plus, minus minus, like this. Now once again I will write another two formulas are there, depends upon this one. Formula 3. If the 2 points ax1 comma y1 bx2 comma y2 ax1 comma y1 bx2 comma y2 lie ax1 comma y1 bx2 comma y2 lies same side of a line, then lies same side of line. Then formula L11 into L22 greater than 0. L11 into L22 greater than 0. How could you say L11 into L22 having same sign? Sign means plus, plus, plus into plus becomes plus, that is greater than 0. Or same sign minus, minus, minus into minus becomes also plus, it is also positive, that is why we put here greater than 0. Fourth formula, if the 2 points ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2 if the 2 points ax1 comma y1 bx2 comma y2 lies opposite side, lies opposite side of a line L equal to 0. If the 2 points lies opposite side of a line L equal to 0, then L11 into L22, L11 into L22 less than 0. Why? Because L11 and L22 having opposite symbol. First one is plus, second one is minus. So plus into minus becomes minus, and minus into plus also becomes minus. That is why minus symbol meaning less than 0. These are the formulae. Depends upon this formula. Let us discuss some examples. Page number 50. Example 1, page number 50. Write the question. Find the ratio in which the line divides the joining of the points. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line 2x plus 3y minus 20 equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 20 equal to 0 divides the join of points divides the join of points 2, 3 and 2, 10. Two, 3 and 2, 10. See the solution now. Given L is identically equal to 2x plus 3y minus 20 2x plus 3y minus 20 is the line L is equal to 0. We know that the ratio is minus L11 is to L22. then you can think that the whatever the first point given as x1 comma y1. So here 2 comma 3 is x1 comma y1 and 2 comma 10 is x2 comma y2. Here he asked the question that only you should calculate the ratio only, not side, same side, opposite side concept is not given. Only you should calculate ratio. So write the formula ratio. Ratio formula minus L11 by L22. Apply here minus of. So formula is minus. That is why put minus symbol before the bracket. 2 into x1 meaning here ax1 plus by1 plus c by ax2 plus by2 plus c concept. X1 meaning instead of x, first of all you should substitute this x1, later y1. In the denominator x2 and y2. Now minus 2 into 2 minus of 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 20 whole by in the denominator 2 into 2 plus 3 into 10 minus 20. Instead of x you should substitute here 2 and here 10 in the denominator. In the numerator 2 comma 3. 3 into 10 minus 20. Now whatever the value you will be getting, calculate. 2s are 4 plus 3s are 9. 4 plus 9 13. 13 minus 20 minus 7. Of course in the numerator minus is there. So minus of minus 7 whole by this is 2s are 4 plus 3 10s are 30. 34 minus 2s are 4 here plus 30. 34 minus 10. It is, sorry, 34 minus 20. So it is 14. Right here 14. So 7 by 14. Seven by 14 becomes 1:2 because 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. You can write the ratio is 1:2. Now let us see another example. Example 2 in the page number 50 itself. Example 2. State whether the points on the same side or opposite side of the line. State whether state whether 3 comma 2 and minus 4 comma minus 3 3 comma 2 and minus 4 comma minus 3 are on same side or opposite side. Same side or opposite side of the line. Of the straight line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Two x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. What the formula I said, whether we should decide that the lines are in opposite side or same side, you should calculate L11 into L22. If L11 into L22 is less than 0, you can say that it is opposite side. Less than 0 means opposite symbol. If it is greater than 0, you can say that the 2 points are in same side. Now let us calculate given line L. Write as given line L. Given line L is equal to 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and apply the value L11 into L22 directly we can write because it is only 2 marks up. L11 into L22. Apply the value here, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. 2 into 3 minus 3 into 2 ax1 plus by1 plus c, like this. First of all, x1 comma y1 substitute here, L11 concept into L22. So 2 into, apply the value minus 4 and minus 3 here, minus 4 this is 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 3 plus 4. You don't put any symbol. If we get greater than 0, lies same side. If we get less than 0, lies opposite side. You can write. Now 2 3 are 6. You write here 6 minus 6 plus 4. 6 minus 6 plus 4 into minus 8 plus 9 plus 4. 6 minus 6 get cancelled. This is 4 into 9 plus 4 over 13. 13 minus 8, 5. So 4 into 5. 20 greater than 0. There is no question of number. It should be greater than 0 or less than 0. You should decide. It is greater than 0. Then the 2 points set to be lie same side. Set to be lie same side. Therefore, you write 2 points or given points lie same side of the given line. Same side of given line. Let us calculate, find the ratio he is asking. Find the ratio in which x-axis and y-axis divide the line segment AB joining this one. Let us write a formula. If ax1 comma y1, if x-axis divides the line segment joining x-axis divide the line segment joining ax1 comma y1 and bx2 comma y2, then the ratio is minus y1 is to y2. Second one, if y-axis divides, the ratio is minus x1 is to x2. For x-axis y terms and for y-axis x terms. Using this formula, simply you calculate the third question. I am giving homework to you. Find the ratio in which first one x-axis Second one, y-axis. Divide the line segment. Divide the line segment AB joining divide the line segment AB joining A 2 comma minus 3 and B 3 comma minus 6. Using the formula minus x1 is to x2 and minus y1 is to y2, we can calculate, because this is x1 comma y0, this is x2 comma y2. Calculate using the formula. Now in the similar way, let us going to discuss exercise 3C, page number 55, Roman number 1 questions are there. Exercise 3C. Page 55, Roman number 1. Read the question. Find the ratio in which the following straight lines divide the line segments, join the given points. State whether the points lie same side or either side of the straight line. Find the ratio, comma, locate. It is called as location of points. Simply I am giving the shortcut to you, locate. Find the ratio, comma, express the location. Means same side or opposite side. That is location. Find the ratio. This is simple question. Find the ratio, comma, express the location. First question. 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y given like this. 3x minus 4y equal to 7, comma, points 2 comma minus 7 and minus 1 comma 3. This example I'll say, and I'll give 2 sums homework. You should do, students. Try yourself. Okay, later we can see this one. It is not visible. Let us continue in next class.